We are just hours away now from a big ruling that could impact our election. The state Supreme Court will decide whether all released felons can register to vote for November's election. On Wednesday morning, the state's high court to announce whether felons who recently completed their sentences can register to vote. Back in 2005, Nebraska lawmakers voted to restore felons' voting rights 2 years after they served their sentence. This year, the legislature passed a law removing the 2-year waiting period. An estimated 7,000 Nebraskans became eligible to vote under the new law. But in July, Nebraska's Attorney General issued an opinion saying both laws were unconstitutional. He says only the Board of Pardons have authority to restore felons' voting rights. Secretary of State Bob Ebden then directed county election offices to stop letting felons register to vote. Nebraska's ACLU then filing a lawsuit accusing Ebden of overstepping his bounds. It asked the Supreme Court to order him to allow felons to register again. We asked you your thoughts. Steve and Kevin uploaded their opinions to the Now Local News app.
I believe they do have a right to vote. They are humans. They make mistakes. We have all made mistakes. They have the right to choose who they want to run for whatever seat is available.
I feel as though when felons, they pay their debt to society and they pay their debt for what they've done, and they have, their rights restored, which should happen as soon as you pay your debt. I feel like every citizen, no matter what your background and what your history is, should be able to vote at some point in time once your debts are paid to society.
It's not clear whether the court will rule only on whether Ebden exceeded his authority or also on the broader constitutional question. Keep in mind, Friday is the deadline to register to vote. And again, the state Supreme Court expected to release its decision tomorrow morning. We'll let you know online and on our local news app what they decide.